This is the Bueblaster's Thunder Dragon K100 Dart Blaster, which average retails for $39.99. This foam dart pistol is a spring-powered, top-slide, half-length dart mag-fed blaster. Features include a top slide, which after the last shot, and you go to prime again, will lock in the open position to let you know you're empty. An advertised 8 dart capacity mag, which will actually hold 9 darts. A grip loading port for your mag, a slide release button, and a mag release button. A fixed front and rear iron sight, and amazing aesthetics. Now to operate, load your magazine. Prime the blaster, now aim and fire. Now, Bueblaster's advertises FPS readings between 60 to 80 feet per second. And I found this to be pretty accurate because I found with each shot, I was getting somewhere within that range or just a tad below it. For example, out of 8 shots on the chronograph, I got a high shot of 77, a low shot of 56, and an 8-shot average of 68 feet per second. Now, in my opinion, the Thunder Dragon has an amazing sci-fi look and feel, and I could totally see this being used in some sort of sci-fi cosplay. I can't help but think Mass Effect every time I look at it. Now, if you're looking to use this in a Nerf war, you gotta understand that there's gonna be wild inconsistencies in the dart FPS readings between each shot. And I did find inconsistencies in the slide lock after the last shot. It didn't always lock to the rear on the next prime. But performance inconsistencies aside, I still like the Thunder Dragon. I love it as a display piece, and if you're into cosplay, this might be right up your alley. What do you guys think?